In this episode, we'll learn how to use teaching mode after you've connected the device to the app. On the main menu, you can see a list of topics such as the alphabet, numbers, and words in multiple levels. As an example, I will choose words level 3. Then from the list of words, I will choose the word able. Taptilo will play the word and show it in braille on the braille display. On the app, you can see the word and its braille translation. On the top, you can choose the activity. Right now, you can see that it's set to trace and write, which is the default option. To change, simply tap on it to see 3 options: trace and write, read, and listen and write. Now let's continue with our example with trace and write. As in self-study mode, read the braille on the display and write using the blocks. Press the circle button to check the answer. If you get it wrong, the app will show the incorrect cell in red. If you see 3 red dots at the end of the word, it means you've entered in more cells than you need. Let's go through some of the practice options on this screen. Under the Activities menu, there is a tab where you can choose between Uncontracted Braille and Contracted Braille. When you select either tab, the braille display on Taptilo will refresh automatically. There is a star-shaped icon above the word, which is the Favorites button. Tap on it once and the current word will be added to your favorites list, which you can check out from the main menu. If you tap again, it will be removed from the favorites list. Under the word, there are 4 buttons in a horizontal line. The first and last button is to move to the previous or next word. In the middle, the left one is to hear the spelling, the right is to hear the word again. On the bottom of the screen is a gray circular tab where you can see additional practice settings. Tap to open and you'll see a list of options that you can turn on or off by tapping the toggle button. Let's go through some of the options. Shuffle list. When it's on, the words in the list will be played in random order. Next, auto continue. When it's on, Taptilo will automatically move to the next word when you get a correct answer. This setting can be useful when you want the student to practice at their own pace while being able to check their progress at the same time. Next, autoplay voice. When it's on, Taptilo will read the word out loud in the beginning. When you turn it off, it won't play the word in the beginning unless you tap the button to hear the word. You might find this option useful when you're ready for a quiz. Slate and stylus. When you turn on this option, you are changing the writing style to slate and stylus as we've seen in self-study mode. To learn more about writing styles, please check out episodes 3 and 4 in this series.